Capital One on your phone, friend or foe? Ever scramble to find your wallet at the checkout line, only to realize your Capital One card is chilling at home? Frustrating, right? Especially when your phone is practically glued to your hand. But what if I told you there might be a way to ditch the physical card and use Capital One straight from your phone? Intrigued? Let's dive in and see if your phone can become your new Capital One BFF. Capital One mobile app, your financial command center. First things first, Capital One offers a fantastic mobile app. Think of it as your one-stop shop for everything Capital One. Check your account balance? Done. See recent transactions? Easy peasy. Need to make a quick bill payment? The app's got your back. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Manage your money like a boss. The Capital One app is packed with features that can turn you into a money management master. Picture this, you're on a shopping spree, phone in hand. The app can send you instant purchase notifications, so you can keep track of your spending in real time. No more nasty surprises when the credit card bill arrives. Security? We've got this. Worried about the safety of your financial info on your phone? Capital One takes security seriously. The app uses strong encryption and lets you log in with fingerprint or facial recognition for an extra layer of protection. Plus, if you ever lose your phone, you can instantly lock your card within the app, preventing unauthorized transactions. But wait, there's more. The Capital One app is a multi-talented performer. Need to activate a new card? The app can handle that. Traveling and forgot your PIN? No sweat, the app can show it to you securely. Feeling generous? You can even send and receive money with friends using Zelle, all within the app. Capital One on your phone, the ultimate convenience. So, can you use Capital One on your phone? A resounding yes. The Capital One mobile app puts your financial world at your fingertips, offering convenience, security, and a suite of tools to help you manage your money like a pro. Downloading the app is a no-brainer. It's completely free and can save you a ton of time and hassle. Digital wallets, your phone as a payment gateway. But wait, there's even more. What if you could ditch the app altogether and use your phone itself to make payments? This is where digital wallets come in. Think of them as secure containers on your phone that store your credit card information. With a simple tap or wave and a contactless payment terminal, you can pay for your purchases using your phone. Capital One and digital wallets, a match made in payment heaven. The good news is that Capital One cards are compatible with most popular digital wallets like Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay. Linking your Capital One card to a digital wallet is a breeze, usually done right within the Capital One app itself. Once linked, you can enjoy the ultimate convenience of paying with your phone, all while earning those sweet Capital One rewards points. Security with a capital S. Digital wallets are incredibly secure. They don't store your actual credit card number on your phone, but rather a unique token. This means even if someone manages to steal your phone, they can't use it to make fraudulent purchases. Most digital wallets also require additional authentication, like a fingerprint scan, for added peace of mind. The verdict, Capital One on your phone is a game changer. Whether you're using the Capital One mobile app for account management or leveraging a digital wallet for contactless payments, using Capital One on your phone is a game changer. It's convenient, secure, and puts you in control of your finances. So, ditch the bulky wallet and embrace the future of mobile payments with Capital One. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.